go to school now, where you face it. It's not the story, you face it. And you will cry when you mingle people who elders, who don't care. You preach, they don't listen, and they're stubborn, and you are a pastor there. We come. We want to see the fruit. Wherever you go, we have done our best. Some of you never pay anything. We have paid for you. So we are expected to go and produce the fruit. We want to receive the gift from your church which you're going to lead. But if you don't have anything, they don't give. If you want your people to win soul, you have to win soul. If you expect your people to give tithe, you give tithe. Anything you want your people to do, you have to do it. Amen. So never think, okay, I said that on Sunday. The work of God, you can look it outside. But you want to know that the work of God is what you say is outside, but real is inside. So, is that blue? What is blue? The white man is hiding. Julie. I need to see your face. Yeah, stand there, I want to see your face. So, I'm expecting. I don't know whether you are playing or you are learning here, but now as you are going to, some of you going to assistance, some of you going to your own assembly, and we will watch you, and we will expect something from your teaching. I think on Sunday, what did I say on Sunday? Maybe I spoke to some teachers, but you heard well on Sunday when I said it is very, very important to pray for have a gift, spiritual gift. Very, very important. So if you are lazy father, but you have to have a spiritual gift. Because you'll be like a soldier without a gun. You'll be like a soldier without tools. So you need to cry to God to give you gifts, spiritual gifts. See which area God is using you. And then in the work of God, there are a lot of testing. Some are not strong, you can follow in sin. The flesh. As we said, you need to able to control your body. Control your body. It's going to be, you're going to go through different tests. You're going to go through tests wherever you go. So, but it's wonderful. You are here, you are just eating, no one pay rent for you, everything. Now you go your own now. If you are lazy, they give you assembly, and then you have to teach that assembly to be able to give, able to pay the rent of your house, even the car, and then we give tithe of tithe from you. So think, you think you're going to do that?
Yes.
You promise me that?
Yes.
Please, okay, what can I do? I want all these people who say yes for them to, I don't know where you're going, but wherever you go, give my baby. writing a letter, write a, what